Welcome. Welcome back to Eva's Kitchen. Of course, I'm Eva, and this is my kitchen. I want to come today to share with you. We're going to declare today as a no-cook day. We won't be doing any cooking today in the kitchen. I'm going to give you some tricks and some tips on how to make delicious snacks, dinner, or whatever, or midnight snacks, whatever you choose to do with these dishes. So today, it's no cook day, it's hot, and we don't want to even fuss with the stove today. So we might have to use the microwave though, but we're not going to fuss with the stove. So let's get started with our ingredients. And before we get started, I wanted to say to all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome aboard. And if you like what you see, tell a friend, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be glad to have you. So let's get started on all these foods that you see out here, and we're going to enjoy them and make quick and easy snacks and meals with it. Okay, here is our ingredients. Like I say, no cook day today. We're not going to even turn the stove on. I'm going to share foods with you that we can cook. We can not cook and enjoy the summer by sitting and enjoying our family and friends. And you can eat these for snacks. You can even make a dinner out of it. Now, our first ingredients, we have a cucumber. I know this is a big cucumber. These are one of my favorites. I can't tell you what they're called, but they don't have seeds in them and they're sweet. So we have cucumbers. We have some summer squash. You don't have to cook those. You can just chop them and eat them, and they're good to eat just as is. Wash them, chop them up, and you can either have a little dip with them. I have some ranch dip here that can go along with them. We have some summer tomatoes. They're good to eat along. You can put an onion with that. We have some onions over there. I'm going to show you. And we have a sweet potato. I know you're saying, now, Miss Eva, we got to cook this sweet potato, but we don't have to cook it. We can put it in the microwave, and you can microwave this on potatoes for about 5 minutes, and you have a nice sweet potato. I didn't say we wasn't going to use the microwave. I said we wasn't going to use the stove. And I also have some nice kale here. You can eat kale. You can make a salad out of the kale. You can use the cucumber, the tomatoes, the broccoli, lemon juice, and all of these things that you can create a salad and use kale. You don't always have to use romaine lettuce or iceberg lettuce. Now, if you're like me, I'm starting to enjoy guacamole, a guacamole dip that they call a guac dip. So, you get you some guacamole, and just pick up a pack of Fresh Success guacamole dip. It comes in mild, regular, and hot and spicy. And you just take your guac, peel it, make sure it's good and ripe, and just mash it like potatoes. Use the dip, 5 minutes, you're done. And you have some chips to go along with it. Now, if you don't want to eat chips, I have bread, and I'm a bread eater. You can use some nice bread to go along with it. And if you decided you don't want to eat that, okay, we have another choice. Just put in a bowl, refried beans are delicious. And you can use it as a dip, or you can eat it with some bread and just heat it up in the oven. Now, we also have some nice broccoli. You don't even have to cook it. Broccoli can be eaten raw. Clean it real good, and you can eat it raw, or you can eat it with a dip. Or you can just sprinkle some lemon juice on it if you like. There's so many ways we can create things for eating and enjoying. And we have lemon. If we get tired of just plain water, we can have a refreshing glass of nice lemon water. It also aids in helping lose weight. And I'm going to give you a tip today on eggs. You know when you're boiling eggs and you try to peel them and they're always cracking and the shell won't come off? This is what you do. Take your eggs, make your water nice and hot, then put them in and let them boil for 10 minutes. And then take them out and put them in a cool bath of water. You can even put them in some ice water. And then you can start to peel them and they slice right off. No fuss. Oh, okay. Now we have, like I said, we have some nice kale on our tray. We have some nice kale. You can eat kale raw, clean it, and you can eat it and make a salad out of it. You can put some of those tomatoes and celery, squash, whatever you choose to put on it. You can make a nice summer salad out of kale. Also, I have some cucumbers. You can just slice your cucumbers and you can eat I'm sorry, this is not a cucumber, this is celery. You can take your celery, take your celery, chop it up, clean it, and you can eat it for a nice snack. And I also have a nice orange that you can eat, slice it, and it's good for hydration. And oranges are better eaten than drinking orange juice. So remember that. So you can either eat your calories or drink it. So with the orange, if you slice it and eat it, you get all the nutrients and you don't get that extra added sugar. So we have a nice peach. I love peaches in the summer, so they're out. So slice your nice peach and enjoy that as well. And we also have a nice apple crisp. Slice your nice apple and then enjoy that. You can even put some peanut butter on an apple and eat it, and it's filling. So that's another alternative. And we have some onions. I have a red onion and I have a Vidalia onion. And being the southerner that I am, look what we got. I bought a rotisserie chicken. And we can have that. We can take our onions, celery, chop it up, and we got a nice chicken salad. How about that? So there are so many ways that we could not turn that stove on during the summer and enjoy something nice and refreshing. And if you like what you see, tell a friend, come back and see me, and I love to have you. And also, after we finish making our light snacks and enjoying the no-cook day, we can go sit on the deck and have us some refreshing water. And if you don't want to make the lemon water, you can also have a glass of blackberry sparkling water or strawberry. So options are unlimited. Now, I'm also going to share with you my little decor that I put out on my deck and patio. So I hope you enjoy that content as well. So my love and best dishes from Eva's Kitchen to yours. And if you like what you see, take a minute, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. I love to have you. Tell a friend, and I'll see you around. Bon appetit.